Okay, so we
Hello.
could, yeah, you can start your presentation about company and product now. Here you go.
Okay. Okay. Our company is Shenzhen Shunfa Optical Company Limited. Was established in 2010, and our company was in Shenzhen. Our company production many products like G4, like G9, and G4 used in crystal lamp or hand lamp, such as. And our company has passed. Our products has passed a lot of certificates like CE, ROSE, ETL, ERP, PCE, PSE, and a lot of certificates.
That's really a lot.
Yeah. And our company have a lot of brands like Air Shunfa, Shunfa Guang, ISFHG, Xiaostar, and I Shunfa. Our company covers 6,000 square meters, has more than 100 employees, and our company wants to be a better LED manufacturer in the future.
Sure you will.
Okay, and in my bag, this is our company certificate. Like this one is Guangdong Shen. Province our us is Shouchen. Like this one is SASO certificate, and our products.
Oh.
Our product sells to
South Arabian.
Sales to
Saudi Arabian.
Saudi Arabian. And starter will use this SASO certificate.
Thank you. SASO is for the Saudi Arabian market. You're great.
Yes, you're great.
So you can show us more closer to the camera. I think most of the market, they will care about CE, ETL, because CE were mostly for most of the Asian
European
country.
Our has not the CE sales to Europe, and although this one ETL
for North American.
Yes, and wait. And this one I haven't shown you. See? Yes.
You do have a lot of certificates to show.
A lot of certificates. Yes. So all of our products is very professional. And you don't worry, our products will not safe.
Yeah, as we know, the certificate for the electrical part, that's the bottom line that when you need to enter the market. So we talk about the certificate. Should we like introduce your product? Let us know more detail.
Okay. And first, I want to introduce this one. This one is our hot product. This one name is G9283588. Why we call this one 88? Because this product has 88 SMD. You can see.
Oh. So they have a lot of LED chips, Cornlamp.
Yes, has 88 chips.
88 chips. So that's very high output.
Yes, and this one we can dim it. Dimmable. I show you.
So this is dimmable lamp.
Yes. We can use a lot of dimmable branch like Philippines, Lamborghini, and also our China branch like Qidian. A lot of branch dimmer, we can use it.
Oh,
and another product, yes, and another product like this one. This one is 32 chips. This one, and this one is no flicker. Why we call this one no flicker? That means when you take picture with this lamp, it has no any black flick in the picture.
So as I know, for the LED lamp, if we use the camera, the phone camera to show it, if there's no black flashing,
okay,
that means the LED that's in very good quality.
Yes, I show you. Like this one in picture, it have no flicker. So it can protect our eyes.
Wow, that's very great. And that means really high quality. So this one is have 32 chips and the other first one is with 82 LED chip.
Yeah, and the different performance, like this one is no flicker and this one is dimmable. Different performance. Used to different place.
So how many watts are they?
This one is 4 watts and this one is 3 watts.
So the one with 82 chips, that's worth 4 watts, and the one with 32 chips, that's 3 watts.
Yes. And another product like G4, like this one, I show you.
This is also dimmable.
This one is also can dimmer.
Is it looks like with COB chip on it?
This one is SMD, not yes, it's also chip. This one has 20 chips. This one we call G4, 2, 8, 3, 5, and 30.
So the G4 is for low voltage, right?
Yes, G4 is all low voltage. Like this one just 2 watts.
2 watts in 12 volts.
Yes. And another product like this one is COB.
Oh, COB.
Yeah. This product efficiency. This one efficiency will higher. This one per powers has 110 lumen per watt, and this one just has 90 lumens per watt.
Oh, I see. So the COB one, that the lumen, even though they will share the same watt, for example, both or maybe 1 watt, so the COB one will be 110 lumen.
Yeah.
The other is only just 90.
Yes, you are.
So
correct.
higher output for the COB.
Yes.
That's great. So this could also sell in CE and ETL for both the European and North American market. So do you have stock or you will need to custom make?
Yeah, we have stocks in our
warehouse.
Yes.
That's great. So whenever what kind of quantity?
This one is our packages.
This is the package.
Yeah, 100 per box. I show you like this one, 100.
Well, that's very organized, just like the listed.
Yes, also we have another, like this one, smaller but beautiful, like this one. We can, if customer tell some different request, and we can meet every customers.
So I see. That means that you have two type of package. One of the package that was with the beautiful cardboard that was sell for the retail market, and the other is like a more economic package that people can use for project that they can use lower the cost.
Yes. And also, if customers want to print some logos in this lamp, we can do that. You can see.
Oh, that's
cool. This one. You can see some logo in this lamp.
So if they need to print the logo, you should have a MOQ if they want to print a name on it.
If you want to print something in this, our MOQ is 1,000.
Oh, only 1,000. That's a nice quantity, not much.
Yes.
So you show us G9 and G4, and do you mainly only manufacture G9 and G4? Do you have any more product?
More products? Wait a moment. You are very nice. Wait a moment.
Thank you. Take your time. So we have see Vanessa show us the G9 with our dimmable and non-dimmable, and the amazing thing is the LED that it do not have a flat flash when we use our phone camera. So that was very friendly to the eyes. And also we will have see the G4 that with the chips and also the COB. COB is with the goodness, the advantage that you will not see a small single chip. So that will make the light more even. And COB is a new product recently.
You are perfect.
As I know, not a lot of factory they have the COB available, because COB since come to the market just a short time. It should be your new development product.
Oh, you are so professional.
Thank you. We were desired to look for some good land supplier. So we know something about it. And it's a big factory for you, right? 6,000 square meter and with 100 workers. That's really big.
Yes.
So I'm sure that when you're making the lamps, you should also have the testing lab for the lights.
Yes. Yeah. We have sex tester to our products to make sure the product is very safe.
Can you show us?
Show? Or maybe if I show that, I will take you to our production line.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, but we just have 15 minutes. Wait. Okay, wait. I show you.
Thank you. Take your time. Thank you to our beautiful Vanessa.
Thank you. You can see
a very nice building, very clean.
Okay.
So Vanessa, is your factory also in Shenzhen?
Yes, in Shenzhen. And this is our packaging warehouse.
Oh, this is a big warehouse.
Yes, a big warehouse. And this one is our production line.
This is a simple line.
Yes, you can see every workers. And this one is our tester from mentions. Like this one.
The test machine.
Yes. Every product we will test it.
So this is for the new product, or is it for the production testing?
This one is our last time, and we will test it and make sure the product is right and safe.
Well, you have really big workshop.
Yes, and another like this one. This one is our test all of our products. This one is our agent warehouse. And this one is our factory warehouse.
Thank you. It's really a big workshop. Thank you to show us around, walk us through the factory. Could you tell us your contact number as well, so the client can contact you?
Contact number 136-3268-2615.
136-3268 and then
2615.
2615. So Vanessa's contact is 136-3268-2615. You could contact Vivian for this. I think for telephone number, WeChat, WhatsApp.
No, this is just my phone. Just the WeChat
phone number.
Yes, this is the WeChat phone.
Okay. So this phone is for phone number and also for WeChat. So thank you, Vanessa. We hope to see you next time for your new product.
Okay, thank you. You are so beautiful.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for your great presentation.